Morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I welcome you all to your computer class. So, children, as in the previous videos, you learned about the different parts of computer. You learned about the different parts of computer. So in today's video, we will revise the main parts of computer, the other useful parts of computer, and we will be doing the textbook question and answers. So let's get started. So as you know, the main parts of computer are keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. Keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. So children, we will quickly revise that what are the functions of these main parts of the computer. So the first topic is monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It looks same as you have a television in your home. It is like that only. We can see pictures, movies and videos on a monitor. When we press any key on the keyboard or use our mouse, all these actions are visible on the monitor. It is also known as visual display unit. It is known as visual display unit because you can see any action which is happening on your monitor screen, just like your TV screen. When you change anything on the remote, the channel changes on the TV, same as if you are doing anything with the help of a mouse or a keyboard, that function, that action can be seen on the monitor. Okay, children? Next, our next important part is keyboard. It is keyboard. Keyboard has many keys on it. Like you can see in the picture, the keyboard has many keys. We use keyboard to type words and numbers on a computer. Keys with numbers are called as number keys. Keys with numbers are called as number keys. There are two sets of number keys, one at the top and the other towards the right. If you have seen a keyboard or you have a laptop or the laptop has attached keyboard to it or a desktop, uh, it has a different keyboard. So you can see there is numbers above and it is on the right, extreme right of your keyboard. Keys with alphabets are called as alphabet keys. Keys with alphabets are called as alphabet keys. Okay, moving to the next. The next important part is CPU. As you know, our body functions with the command, and that command comes from brain. The commands come from our brain. Similarly, CPU is the brain of the computer. When the CPU commands, the computer functions. Okay, same as when your mind says something and your body works. That if a food plate is kept in front of you, the mind is giving the signal to the body that you have to eat that food. Similarly, if you are giving any command, the CPU will tell the computer to do that work. It can solve sums and do calculations. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It controls the other parts of the computer. It is known as the brain of computer. Other parts of the computer are connected to the CPU by wires. CPU is always kept inside the box. The next And the last main important part of computer is a mouse. Mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle, as you can see in the picture, and has buttons. It is used to move the pointer up and down on the screen. We can select and open things using left and right buttons. We can draw by keeping the left mouse button pressed. It works better when kept on a mouse pad. It is attached to CPU or it can be wireless. So children, mouse plays a very important role because if you have to draw something or if you want to see something, you have to use the mouse for scrolling the screen, or you have to use the left mouse button to draw something on the screen, and its wires is attached to the CPU, or in today's time the CPU mouse is coming wireless. It has no wires, it has a small chip which can be attached in the USB port, and you can use that mouse. Okay children, moving to the next. Other useful parts of computer. Other useful parts of computer. The first is a printer. A printer copies the information which we see on the monitor. Printed paper is known as printout. One can print letters, poems, stories, pictures, etc. Some pictures gets printed in black and white and some in color. So children, whatever thing you see on the monitor, if you have drawn something in paint, or you have typed a story, or you have done some assignment and your teacher needs that assignment, in that particular thing you can print it out and give it to your teacher. The printouts come in two forms, one in black and white and other in color. Okay, next, a scanner. A scanner does the opposite work of printer. It is to copy the words and pictures from paper onto the computer. Its work is to copy the words and pictures from paper onto the computer. Basically, if you have a paper and you want that paper on your monitor screen, so you can simply put it in the scanner machine. It will scan itself and it will be seen on your monitor screen. Okay. Next is a microphone. Microphone is used for recording voices and the other different sound. It is basically like a mic. Okay. Speakers. Everybody knows about speakers because everyone is fond of music nowadays. Speakers let us listen to music and hear sound effects on the computer. If you have made some video or you are watching some YouTube videos, or nowadays you are watching your lectures on YouTube, or your speakers are attached with your laptop and you're taking your live classes, so with the help of the speaker you can listen that voices very clearly. Or if you like to see music, if you like to listen music, you can clearly and loudly listen to that music on the speaker. Okay children, next, the last two important parts are headphones and UPS. Headphones. We can listen to music on headphones. You can see the picture. It is being why it is called as headphones? Because it comes from head and it stick on the ears. When we use headphones, we are the only ones who are able to hear the music. If somehow mama or your mother is sleeping in the afternoon and you want to listen to music, or you want to listen to your lectures which are being uploaded by your teachers, so quietly, very firmly, you can put the headphones and listen to that lecture so that nobody gets disturbed, because you are the only person who can listen to the voice which is coming from your video. Okay. Now, nowadays, headphones comes with an attached microphone. And children, nowadays headphones has a attached mic to it, so that if you have seen your teachers teaching in the meetings, it they speak in a mic with a headphone so that you can clearly listen to them. Okay, the last important part is UPS. UPS, uninterrupted power supply. It keeps the computer working for some time when the electricity goes off. This gives us time to finish and save our work properly on a computer. So if you're using a desktop and suddenly the light goes off, the electricity is off, so the UPS is charged and it has some power so that your computer remains on, and if you're doing some work and it has been not completed, you can save that work because it doesn't get deleted when you open your desktop again. So the work of UPS is to be on for some time when the electricity goes off. So children, these are some useful important parts of a computer which you use in your daily lives, and nowadays you are using each and every part of computer daily. So children, kindly learn the chapter every day, read the chapter with its important words. I hope you understood all the topics very clearly. So now children, we will move to our question and answers. Okay. So the first question and answers is on page number 21. The question says, fill in the blanks and match the following computer parts to their names. If you'll open your page number 21 in your computer textbooks, you will see this kind of pictures and words written like this. You have to fill each and every word correctly. Okay? This is the question, and here is the answer template. Fill in the blanks and match the following computer parts to their names. So, the first is CPU. The first is CPU. So, you will match the CPU to the picture of the CPU. The next blank is MOUSE, mouse. You will complete the word and you will match it to the picture of mouse. Then keyboard, and the last is the monitor. Fill in the blanks, fill in the words in the given space, and then you have to match it to the picture. Okay. Next is, what computer parts will play a major role in performing the following actions? The answer key is given to you. You have to read the question, and then you have to understand the sentence, and then you have to see that which word fits correctly. Okay, so this is a question template. The answer template is this. The first is draw on a computer. How can you draw on a computer? You will use a mouse to draw on a computer. Next is add two numbers, that is CPU. Watch a movie, monitor. And the last is write a letter, keyboard. Okay. Next. Then children, you will open to page number 26. The first question says fill in the blanks. The choices are being given to you. Answers are written in red. So you have to fill the answers which are written in red. The first question is, fill in the blank is, you can select and draw things on a monitor using a mouse. Dash help us to listen to music. Speakers. A dash is used to record your voice. Microphone. A dash helps you copy your picture from paper onto computer. You have to read this line carefully because printer and scanner is same, but their work is different. A dash helps you copy your picture from paper onto computer. The answer will be scanner. Okay, moving to the next. The question says, who am I? The question says, who am I? My first letter is in the word pet. My last letter is in the word rat. I can take printouts for you. I am a printer. I am a printer. Printouts हम किससे निकाल सकते हैं? From a printer. My first letter is in the word hat. My last letter is in the word elephant. I am used to listen to music. Nowadays, I come with an attached microphone. I am a headphone. 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 The last is, my first letter is in the word umbrella. My last letter is in the word snake. I let you work on the computer for some time when the electricity goes off. Is it a UPS or a CPU? Yes, it is a UPS. When the electricity goes off, UPS keeps our system, computer, desktop, laptop on. Okay? Next. Page number 27. Identify different parts of the computer and write down their names in the space provided using the words given below. If you can see in your book, a jumbled picture is drawn. There is a space in which you can write the correct name of the picture. The options are given to you in the box. You have to write the correct name in the box. Okay. The first is printer, Printer. The next is scanner, Scanner. The next is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Monitor, Monitor. Mouse, Mouse. Microphone, speaker. And the last is keyboard. Okay. Next. These are the question and answers. Answer the following questions. What is the function of a CPU? It can solve sums and do calculations. It controls the other parts of a computer. Give the full form of the following. You have to write the full forms. The first is UPS. The full form is uninterrupted power supply. VDU, visual display unit. CPU, central processing unit. Okay. The next question is, how is a printer different from a scanner? The answer is, a printer copies the information from computer onto a paper, but a scanner copies the information from paper onto a computer. How is a UPS useful? UPS keeps the computer working for some time when the electricity goes off. Okay, children? Read the question and answers carefully, write it correctly, and if you face any problem in understanding the question or the chapter, kindly ask your teacher to teach you the or to resolve your query for the same. Okay? So children, these are some important points. The first point is, do your textbook questions. The question and answers which I have shown you in the slide, you have to do each and every question in your textbook. The next is, in notebooks, you have to do fill in the blanks, page number 26. Who am I? Page number 26. And the question and answers, page number 27 and 28. Children, each and every question has to be done in the textbook, and in the notebook you have to do the questions, fill in the blanks, which is on page number 26, who am I, which is on the page number 26, and the question and answers which are on 27 and 28. 27 has 3 questions and 28 has 1 question. Okay, each and everything has to be done in the notebook which has been mentioned. Okay, children. Children, thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you had a great time. Have a safe day. Listen to your parents. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.